He is not the God of the dead, but for the living. For him, all are alive. Luke chapter 20, verse 38. Hello, beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Love is Touch Food channel. Thank you so much for coming back today. We are not going to turn water into wine, but we're going to turn literally what people see as crap to this delicious and gorgeous peppered sauce. We're going to be making chicken feet peppered sauce. It is absolutely delicious, and you want to stay tuned because after this, not going to look down on your chicken feet no more. So please stay tuned. Let's get right into it. So to begin with, this is the main ingredient. I have about 1 kilo of my chicken feet. Thank goodness they've removed the skin, the excess skin and everything off. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean it very quickly. I am going to cut off the nails that it has. It's pretty weird. People do not mind at all, but trust me, it is better to just clip those off. Between the foot as well, you can go ahead and cut, and you're going to find this white threadish substance that you can get rid of if you mind. If you don't mind, honestly, like me, I just left them as it is because it was a lot of work, and also this chicken feed is quite tiny, so if you just go ahead and do all this, you'll be left with almost nothing to enjoy. So if you don't mind, just go ahead and leave it just like that. All right, so once I'm done cutting all the toes off, I'm now going to wash it very well with some lime juice and some room temperature water. Okay, it's very important. So now that it's nicely washed and clean, let's go through the rest of the ingredients. By the way, I'll list each and every one below in the description box. So here we have lots of mixed bell peppers, and we have lots of seasoning, some tomato paste, lots of onions, some scotch bonnet pepper, curry powder, salt, and all your all purpose seasoning. Of course, I do have a little bit of some cooking olive oil as well. What we're going to do is we're going to season this chicken feet very well with some chicken seasoning, or use any seasoning of choice. Chop some fresh onions, and now I'm going in with some blended more onions, garlic, ginger, and a bit of aniseed. I went in with a little bit of water, and here is some pepper powder and some salt. I'll mix everything together, making sure that each and every chicken foot is having a good amount of seasoning. All right, so here I'm going to cover it and allow it to steam for the next 10 minutes on a low to medium heat while I get all the rest of the ingredient prepared. I am going to go ahead and wash my bell peppers. I'm going to cut them into manageable size, and with the help of my food processor, I'm going to finely chop all these beautiful bell peppers. I'm going to throw in some white and red onions as well, and not forgetting our scotch bonnet pepper. So nothing to be blended here. Everything needs to be nicely and finely chopped, and that is it. Some scotch as well. Ready to put everything in the food processor. That takes very few minutes to do, but we should go ahead and just check on our chicken feet. Mind you, this is very soft. You do not want to overcook it. Okay, so it's about 10 minutes now, and it smells amazing. so good. So I'm now going to take it out from the stock and allow it to cool down before we start with the sauce preparation. So you might ask, why should we even consume this chicken feet? You'll be asking, why should we consume chicken feet? The answer is simple. It is very, very high in protein, and it also contains lots and lots of calcium because of the bones, and it has lots of iron content and some amino acid. So it's not all that bad, okay? I know it tastes so good and all of that, but I am also highly recommending you not to consume this on a daily basis because this chicken feet contains lots of fat. So okay? Other than that, you have all the other minerals and vitamins that you have if you consume this, so it's not that bad. All right, so to begin with, I am going to now start with the sauce. I have here a little bit of oil, cooking olive oil, and I added a tablespoon of some tomato paste. I think it gives it beautiful texture and taste to it. You may want to omit it, but it's so good. I added about a teaspoon of curry powder. I'm adding my finely chopped mixed bell peppers and the onions and the scotch bonnet peppers. So, and just imagine the aromas and the fragrance in this kitchen. It is giving the vavavu vibe. So tasty. I'm going to mix everything together and just allow it to simmer for just about 2 minutes while I go in with my chicken stock. It is so good. It contains lots of amazing flavors that you do not want to miss. You want to go ahead and add it right here and mix, stir, and allow it to cook for the next 5 to 7 minutes on a very low heat. All right, the aromas, the combination of flavors, awesome, so good. I mean, you can definitely perceive this aroma wherever you are. I went ahead to cover it for the next 5 minutes. This does not take too long for it to get ready, and also be aware not to add too much seasoning again because everything that you have here contains a lot more seasoning. Okay, so add your chicken feet now. Do not bother frying it won't work. You're going to totally hurt yourself. All right, and mix everything together and just look at this amazing stuff. See what we made? It turns out absolutely delicious. I allowed it to simmer for about 3 minutes, and I'm just went ahead to sprinkle a little bit of parsley for that beautiful and gorgeous garnishing. I'm going to then allow it to simmer for another 2 minutes or so, and that is it. Voila, our delicious peppered chicken feet is done, and you can pair this with any rice dish of choice. I paired here with some turmeric rice, and it was so lovely. You can go ahead and pair with your white rice as well. It goes so well. Do not forget your coconut rice. It's just a banging factor. It is so delicious. As you can see here, you want to go ahead and try this immediately. All right, it's an immediate recipe that I think you should make. My hubby paired it with some fanti kinky. It was so perfect. I just love this pair so much. So there you have it, family. Thank you so very much for watching. I truly appreciate your time, and please do not forget to give me your thumbs up, share it with a few friends and family. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovistat. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.